And now back to New Extreme Sounds Television.
What's good, y'all? NXSTV at the very first Health Man Up Expo event. Now, I don't know about you, but usually when I go to the doctor, it's because something is wrong, right? Well, today is all about taking charge of not just your health today, but in the future. We have a building full of health officials, a room full of panelists, and even Jerome Bettis, the bus himself, has come to share some interesting health facts, debunkify myths. They have free health screening and much, much more. I'm Alysia, and it's time to man up. Let's go check it out. I am here with Miss Nanette Bentley, PR Director of Mercy Health. Thank you so much, Nanette, for having us.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for coming.
Yes, now we are at the Man Up Mercy Health first time event.
Correct.
Can you tell me a little bit about what we are going to expect here today?
Certainly. This is a men's health expo, and women are invited as well.
Okay.
And the aim of the event is to help people get the health screenings they need that could potentially save their lives. Men in particular are much less likely than women to have an annual health screening. They're much less likely to see a physician regularly. And we thought that by making this event easy, all in one place, and having a great draw with speakers that include our physicians and the bus, Jerome Bettis, we could attract a good number of men and their women as well to come out and have these health screenings. So we've done blood glucose testing, we've done cholesterol testing, we've tested people's body mass index, we've provided vision screenings, prostate screenings through a blood test, all kinds of different screenings. Hopefully we've helped some people be well. That's our mission. Our mission is to help people be well, and hopefully we've helped some people do that tonight, and I hope they've had a good time too.
Wonderful. Now it looks like a good turnout. The parking lot is full. Can we expect something like this in the future, maybe?
You know, this is a first-off event, and judging by the fact that we had over 400 people turn up and register, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't do something like this again. We're very interested in being good neighbors. We're very interested in supporting Cincinnati and helping Cincinnati be well. We do lots of things regularly for the community to help the community be well. So if it's not something like this, it'll be something similar. We're out there all the time, mammography vans, health clinics. We take part in different events. So look for us. We'll be there.
Awesome. Is there anything coming up that we could look forward to? Do you know about offhand, or is there anywhere we can go, like a website, to maybe check on
Yes,
something?
if you go to e-mercy.com, we post all of our news releases there. We talk about all the events that we have coming up, and we'll definitely list them there for folks to come and attend.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
And again, helping people in the city man up and just taking control of their health.
Lovely. Thank
Yes,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank
you.
I found out I had prostate cancer by going to a health fair and was screened for prostate cancer, and of course that saved my life. And so I've been an advocate of that for a long, long time. I was part of the project that we set this up with Mercy, and I believe that it is very important. One of the ideas I've said to men all over the place is when you fly on an airplane, the flight attendant always says, if the oxygen mask deploys, first put yours on and then put on the person who's next to you. And I say that to about the men in our community. First, the men need to save themselves, and then they'll be able to save their family members, their wives and their children and so forth. And I think in our community, particularly the African-American community, that's been an issue and a problem. The men are not as aware of their health status as they should be. And of course, in the African-American community, black men on average only live to be 67, and that's the lowest demographic there is. Black women live to be 75. White men 75 to 77, and white women 80. So we are the earliest to die, and of course it's because we get our diseases diagnosed later in the course of the disease, and it's because we have not participated in screening programs and health fairs such as the Mercy Man Up program. So it's a pleasure for me to be here, and I look forward to hanging out with all these guys. And I've been so surprised that on Friday afternoon, August the 19th, this many African-American men and other men have shown up here on the Mercy Health complex and have been screened for all these different diseases, diabetes and hypertension and high cholesterol, behavioral issues, and prostate cancer. So this is a great event. It's the first one. This is the inception of the idea of bringing the health fair to the community, and I thank Mercy for their vision on this project. I really do.
got more in store for you on NXSTV. Stay tuned.